Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer and the ZENUI foldable mini washer. We'll explore their features, capacities, and usability to help you decide which one is the right choice for your laundry needs. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer offers a significant advantage with its 1.7 cubic feet capacity, allowing you to wash up to 11 pounds of laundry at a time. This makes it suitable for regular loads, whether for singles or couples. In contrast, the ZENUI foldable mini washer has a much smaller capacity of 13 liters, which is approximately 3 pounds. This makes it ideal for washing delicate items like baby clothes or undergarments, but not practical for larger laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER washer is fully automatic, meaning it handles everything from filling with water to draining and spinning, making it incredibly user-friendly. On the other hand, the ZENUI washer is semi-automatic, requiring manual intervention for filling and draining, which can be a bit more labor-intensive. This difference can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if convenience is a priority. In terms of portability, the BLACK+DECKER washer, while mobile on rollers, weighs over 70 pounds, making it less portable for moving between locations. In contrast, the ZENUI washer is incredibly lightweight at just 3.5 pounds and folds flat for easy storage, making it perfect for travel, camping, or small living spaces. If you're looking for something that can easily be taken on the go, the ZENUI is the clear winner. In conclusion, the choice between the BLACK+DECKER and the ZENUI depends on your specific laundry needs. If you require a high-capacity, fully automatic washer for regular use, the BLACK+DECKER is the way to go. However, if you need an ultra-portable solution for small, delicate items, the ZENUI is your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.